Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. Dear learners, today I am present before you with new topic. This is MCQ revision segment. So let's go to board to check what will be our today's topic in our revision segment. So look here, topic is MCQ question number 1 to 11 revisions. I repeat, topic is MCQ 1 to 11 revision. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 14 and SW number 11 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 14 and SW number 11 on our annual term syllabus. Dear learners, before going to focus on our main topic, I want to tell you something regarding something important on our previous class and today's class also. In our regular class, we have learned 44 MCQs. I repeat, in our regular classes, we have learned 44 MCQs. Today, in our revision segment, we will learn or we will practice, we will revise 1 to 11. That means with more 3 classes or with more 3 conducts of classes, inshallah our MCQ segment, that means 44 MCQs will be finished. So dear learners, I request all of you of class 4 to look at board. Look, it is written multiple choice questions. Number 1, a feature of text pane that is not available in Paint is. Option A, Paint tool, B, line tool, C, undo tool and D, stem tool. Dear learners, you can easily understand that these MCQs or most of the MCQs are taken from our chapter 6 more on text paint. Most of the MCQs are taken from our chapter 6 more on text paint. So look here, number 1, it is written a feature of text paint that is not available in Paint. We all know that Paint tool is available, line tool is also available and undo tool is also available in text paint, but stem tool is not available in the more on text paint. So D number, stem tool is not available. D number is the proper answer. So look, in this connection I want to show a picture of a text paint. So look at the first picture. I think all of you can see the picture properly. It looks very clear and it looks very fabulous also. It is written, the title is screen on text pane. Now MCQ number 2, which of these is not a part of magic tool? So look here, which of these is not a part of magic tool? Option A, fill, B, text, C, blocks and D, blur. From our book we have learned that in magic tools there are fill, blocks and blur, but there is no text. So option number B is the proper answer. B number, text is the proper answer. That means text is not found in the magic tool. Now we will go to MCQ number 3. So look here, look, which of these present at the bottom of the text screen? So look, which of these present at the bottom of the text screen? A, toolbox, B, color, C, help area and D, selector. Okay, from our book chapter number 6 we have learned that in the bottom of the text pane there is help area. That means option number C is the proper answer, help area. Now MCQ number 4, which tool is used to give special effects to a picture? So look, which tool is used to give special effects to a picture? A, magic tool, yes we can consider. Stem tool, no. C, shapes tool and D number, paint, no. Okay, that means from more on text paint we have learned that magic tool is used to give special effect to a picture. That means option number A, magic tool is the proper answer. And now 5 number MCQ, what is a text pane? So look, A, application software, B, search engine, C, notepad and D, help area. Yes, we have learned that text paint is an application software. Is an application software. Number 6, which tool is used to draw straight lines. So look here, which tool is used to draw a straight line? A number stamp tool, B number line tool, C number pen tool, and D number text tool. So whenever we will draw a straight line, we need to take a help of line tool. So look at the picture, look at the option number B, it is line tool. That means with the help of line tool, we will draw a straight line. Now 7 number, which is a unique tool? So look, A number text tool, B stamp tool, C shape tool, and D line tool. Okay. From our book chapter 6 we have learned that stamp tool is called a unique tool. That means option number B is the proper answer or appropriate answer. Now we will go to next page to read MCQ number 8 or to learn MCQ number 8. So look here, how many effects do we have in a magic tool? Okay, look, how many effects do we have in a magic tool? Yes, in a magic tool there are 5 effects. That means A number 4, no, B number 5, yes, this is the proper answer, C number 6, D number 7, yes, the proper answer is 5. So in a magic tool there are 5 effects. Now question number or MCQ number 9, how many types of tools are there? Answer A 5, B 6, C 7, D 8. Yes, in our short question answer we have learned there are 7 types of tools. That means option number C is the proper answer. There are 7 tools in the chapter more on task pen. Now MCQ number 10, which of these is not a word processing software? Answer A OpenOffice Writer, B Word, C Notepad, and D number is pen. Dear learners, from our book chapter 7, so from our computer book chapter 7 we have learned the word processing software. Okay, in the passage we have learned different types or different name of the word processing software. So look at the MCQ to get the appropriate answer. Which of these is not a word processing software? So look, it's not a word processing software. Yes, we all know that OpenOffice Writer, yes, is an word processing software, Word also and Notepad also. But on the other hand, D, that means Paint, is not a word processing software. So look, Paint is not a word processing software. Except Paint, all 3 are the examples of a word processing software. Now MCQ number 11, look, in most computers MS Word is located in which of the following folders? So look, in most computers MS Word is located in which of the following folders? A Windows, no, B Accessories, no, C MS Office, D MS Programs. So dear learners, look at the option number C is MS Office. That means most of the MS Office is located in which of the following folders? In MS Office. C number is the proper answer. So my dear students, I am telling the answer again quickly. So all of you look at the glance of the answer. Number 1, a feature of the task pen is not available in pen tool. Answer stamp tool. 2, which of these is not a part of magic tool? Answer B text. 3, which of these present at the bottom of the task pen? Option C help area. Which tool is used to give special effect to a picture? A magic tool. So in these connections I forgot, but now I want to show you a picture. So look at the picture number B, happy birthday is written. It is using the magic effect in the task pen we have, or we see a picture of a happy birthday. So look here, that means using the magic effects in the task pen there is a picture. So look, it is about a happy birthday. Now we will go to MCQ number 4. Which tool is used to give a special effect to a picture? A number magic tool. 5 number, what is a task pen? So look here, a application or an application software. 6 number, which tool is used to draw straight lines? B number line tool. 7 number, which is a unique tool? Answer is stamp tool. Now we will go to MCQ number 8. How many effects do we have in a magic tool? Answer B, that means 5 effects. 9 number, how many types of tools are there? Answer 7. 10, which of this is not a word processing software? Answer Paint. 11th, in most computers MS Word is located in which of the following folders? Answer number C, it is MS Office. Now dear learners, look here. So look, it is written our homework, our regular work. This is our regular work, it is homework. Homework number 11th, it is MCQ 1 to 5. So look, 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, you must not write only the answer. Okay, dear learners, it is seen that many of you write only the answer. No, this is not the proper way to write MCQ, only the answer. Okay, you will write the SW, so look here, you will write H and W, then the SW number, then MCQ 1 to 5, then you will pick up. Listen, I repeat, you must write the 5 MCQ and then you will write the 4 options. Then give the tick which one is the appropriate answer. This is the proper way to do your SW. Dear learners, I hope all of you have understood this revision class, and with more 3 class, inshallah, our MCQ segment will be finished. That means our revision segment of MCQ will be finished. And keep practicing at home. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.